welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Lulu. Today's video I'm going to be doing a day in my life video, and I'm actually starting off my day by preparing breakfast. Then get ready for the day. This is my OTD and I'm just ready to step out for the weekend and get my hair done. The girl needs to look pretty and all that. My to-do list today is just getting my hair done, then after do some shopping, then go back. This lady was so gentle with my hair. I loved how she treated me and brushed my hair. This is my first time recording in public, and I'm pretty proud of myself because I'm so confident and I'm so happy. The results so far. Yeah.
So comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful, a star could never shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. It's not logical,
All of a sudden,
the way I feel when you walk in the room.
I had to wait for almost 30 minutes to go.
It's not optional, how gravity just pulls me
We are
right to
home,
you.
and before we do our grocery haul, let me show you
Even the
my
dark
style.
they still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm
I
with you,
chose this one,
with you.
and I used half braids for
feel
Spanish curls.
So lucky I met you, and I still
Sit quietly.
can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must
By the
have
time
fell
I got
from the
home,
sky,
there
and
was no
I
electricity, and I just had to shoot the video. So I got
so lucky I met you.
tissues, bands, wipes, and soft care is my only brand. This is the only brand I use even for diapers. I did not get the flavor maker that I was looking for, so I just went ahead to get the Tuzo packets for Mali, sanitary towels, and 2 meningai jelly body oil. This is the oil that I use for my babies. I don't know about yours, but they don't like any other brand. All of that costed 875 Kenyan shillings. To the groceries, I got onions and ginger. Can you imagine that? Costed 100 pop shillings, and it's just unimaginable. Cabbage is a lifesaver. I also got tomatoes and some capsicum. I'm just cleaning the fruits before I store them in the fridge. Not the food, the groceries. Now it's dinner time and I just want to prepare my meat. As it boils, you will be cleaning and organizing the fridge.
It's all I really ever think about. Looking at you, I've got it all figured out. Wait, this is my heart now. Walking on it. Without a care. I'm smart and clever, not as clever and clever.
There's this kid who normally brings fruits to me. Today he brought avocados. The other day he brought guavas.
My shoulders can't control without a care. Our smile is gravity. Mine is a feather in a clover. When you're there, when you're there, when you're there. To tell you the truth,
At this time, my newborn was crying, and hubby had to take over with the cooking.
I've got it all figured out. Walking on air. Without a care. Walking on air. Without a care. Our smile is gravity. Mine is clever and clever.
We are done eating, and I'm just going ahead to clean the mess. The counter so I can leave my kitchen all clean and sparkling. And for a brighter scent, I use baking powder. I just sprinkle it, then wash with water. Then I wash off with hot water just to get rid of any oils down there. My kitchen now is all clean. Look at that. We have come to the best part of the day. We are just going to take shower, unwind from everything, and set the mood to sleep. Before ending the day, I go ahead to record of the successes and failures and what I can do about it, and also plan my next day.